Hi there. First off, I just want to apologize because it took so long for me to reply back to you. So I somehow didn't see your reply until now. I just were cleaning up the tickets and I saw your conversation. Anyways, so you wanted to know how is the risk calculated for daily risk. So here, when you go into each one of your trades, we take the initial risk. So for this trade, for example, this is a dummy trade. You can see that I was risking about $1,500 for this trade. So that will be adding, I will be adding that into my daily risk. Let's suppose now that I made, I don't know, 2 trades this day. On my first trade, that you can see here, I risked about $1,500, and on my second trade that same day, I risked $700. So now I have $700 that I have risked that day. Okay, so that will count towards the daily risk. So basically, we're just taking the risk of each trade and for that specific day and adding them up. I don't know. Some people want to say I don't want to risk more than I don't know 2,000 or let's say $3,000 per day. So assuming that I made only 2 trades, these 2 trades, I'm under. Am I? Yeah, I'm under the $3,000 that I set under the management tool for me to follow. Right now, you're asking now the average risk. For the average risk, which we don't have that under the management tool, all we do is the following. So we add these two. So 1,500 plus, let's just say that this was 500. So trade 1, we risk $1,500. Trade 2, we risk $500. So we say, okay, well, in total, you have risked $2,000. Now that divided per the amount of trades is $2,000 divided by 2, average is $1,000. So how much on average you're risking per trade? It's $1,000. All right. So again, we add all the risk, the initial risk for all the trades, then divide that times the number of trades. Okay. Now currently we have that here, as you can see it under the overview. I think that's where you're viewing that. Where what's coming right now on September is that we're going to have explanations here of how we're calculating that, because we understand that you might have doubts on how we calculate other things. So we're bringing a lot more flexibilities into the report, so you can even make your own reporting. For example, you want to calculate the average risk based on the number of dates instead of number of trades. You're going to be able to do that. So we're gonna have plenty more metrics here, and on top of that, you will be able to build your own metrics. So I hope that answers the question. And again, sorry it took so long for me to get back to you. Let me know if you have any more questions, or if this is not clear, let me know, and then I can put another example, or just let me know what you didn't understand, so I can find a way to explain better.